Picanha, top sirloin, rump cab. That's all names to one cut of beef. That's basically the cab of the rump. Nowadays, everyone talks about picanha. It's a fantastic piece of beef. It has a beautiful cap of fat. It's so nice, it's so tender, it's so delicious. You can put it on a spit and you can roast it, or you can actually cut it into steaks, or you can make a kebab with. The best thing about it, that it's tender, it's very reasonably priced, and it's juicy. You will love it. Cooking this is so simple and easy. That's my style. Easy to cook and delicious to eat. As you see, I just put it on the spit, so it will rotate on the rotisserie very easy. I'm going to take a little bit of oil. We'll take some of the magic rub. You flip it. You do the same thing. I have my grill ready. We'll put this like that. We'll put it in here. Right inside, on top of the charcoal. Been 45 minutes, let's check the meat. Yeehaw! Looking fantastic. Let's get our eggplant out. Very nice and easy. I'll first do my salad. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and olive oil. And you mix again. Let's check our meat. Smells outstanding. Amazing. Now remember to share this with your family and friends because you'll be very popular. Thank you very much. Heaven.